Good morning. My name is Pavan, and my topic that I've chosen for this is heart disease prediction. And as I've told last week, this is the data set about 1,025 patients where there are 14 attributes. One of them is the target variable, and 13 of them are the features. These are some of the features that are available in the data set. And the target variable is if one one is if there is heart disease and zero is if there is no heart disease. The model that I've chosen is logistic regression. I've chosen this model as it's a binary classification problem. And it also gives us probabilistic output. Basically, we can interpret the data. Like if we give in some values for a dummy patient, we'll know how much probability there is if the patient has heart disease or if he or she doesn't. And also it's efficient with smaller data sets. I did some correlation analysis in the beginning between all the features and the target variable. Later, I ran the model, an initial model, and based on the p-value of the different features, I found out the significant features. To reduce the model and make it simpler, using the significant features, I made another model, and this is the result that I've gotten. I've gotten an accuracy of 85%, and also I've given dummy data and I've done it here. As you can see, I've given the dummy data, and this is the probability that he has a heart disease. So the model predicts he might have a heart disease because it's above 0.5. And what are the uses of the outcome? Based on this, we can try to like detect who are high risk patients, and we can also personalize treatment plans based on the risk factors that are there, and we can also educate people on like what are the risk factors and how we can take care of our health, and we can allocate the resources based on that, and we can also start public health initiatives which are aimed at all the different populations. Thank you.
The main, let's say, conclusion, apart the slide before the conclusion. Yeah, so the accuracy of this heart disease.
Yeah.
What are the number one features that influence presence?
Most of the features have actually influenced it. Like all the significant values, they were like really low.
Feature set,
Yeah.
have you listed it in you?
Yeah. Like I've listed some of them.
And the accuracy is 85%. Right?
Yeah.
So
On the data set, I've divided it into 80 and 20. Like 80 is the training data and 20% is the test data.
okay,
Yeah.
test data is 20, in that you got 85%.
Yeah.
What does that mean? 85%. So did you get an R square value somewhere?
No.
Didn't get it? Okay. Right. No questions.
Okay.
And what did you say about dummy variable?
No, I just gave like dummy patient. I gave values to show that this is how it can be used.
Or meaning like new variable?
Yeah, new variable.
Use the word new variable.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.